Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem, whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial. We're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the videos. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily hide your participants in Google Meet. First of all, open up the Google Meet mobile application. Make sure that it is updated. If it's not, just update it first. As you can see, it is now updated. Open it up. Once you open it up, this interface will appear. From here, what you can do is click on the new at the bottom right, and from here click on schedule in Google Calendar. Click on it and click on OK. Once you come in the scheduling page, scroll down and click on add people. You can add all of the people that you want. For example, add this, click contact. You can just easily select the participants from your contacts. From here, what you can do is scroll down. After adding all of the people, there will be an option of all of your contacts can see your members, or your friends can see your members, or even the members can see your members. So just uncheck all of the three options, and after that just schedule the meeting. Once you schedule the meeting, all of the participants will be hidden, and that is how you can easily hide participants in Google Meet meeting. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.